Hello, let me introduce myself. My name is Rini Fitriani. I'm a student at Mercubuana University, employee class, Department of Architecture. I am currently working at a legal company in Jakarta. I will tell you why I choose Mercubuana University. That reason, first, because the campus is good and not far from where I live, and the most important thing is that the faculty of architecture has a class for the employee class. Secondly, the tuition fees at Mercubuana University are very affordable, especially if the fees can be paid in monthly installment, isn't it?
Why I choose architecture?
Because of the basic building technique of my previous vocational school, and I want to continue my education. I have entered semester 2 to become an architecture student. Oh yeah, I will tell you the ups and downs of being an architecture student for you. It's good to be an architect student, can have a reason to wonder. College assignment sometimes require us to observe buildings and environmental behavior, so that architecture study become a kind of legitimacy for academic works. Once upon a time, for the architecture design one course, we were asked to create a group, and then the lecturer asked us to observe one of the public space building, and then our group found one of the buildings that we thought was interesting, but unfortunately the unique building was in Bandung. Without thinking, we decided to go to Bandung suddenly. This moment is the most we remember, because besides making college assessment, we could, while walking and tasting one of the famous culinary specialties of Bandung, namely mie kocok Mang Dedeng. No doubt the taste. It's good to be an architecture student. That's a minimum of arithmetic courses. To be honest, I'm not interested in arithmetic, but minimal does not mean no. In the first semester yesterday, there were still courses that relied on numeracy skills, like basic structure and construction. Well, in that course, actually there are not too many calculations. Subjects that smell like mathematics and physics are just side things. Alhamdulillah, it's good to be an architecture student, free to be creative. As architecture student, we are required to continue to explore new design, because for this, in an architect paid, client certainly do not want if the house or building is just a box. The good part here is when we can imagine the highest of our dream architectural work. It's not good to be an architectural student. Many tasks. Yes, that's right. Many of these tasks have made us as architecture students have to stay motivated despite the laziness that sometimes appears to them. The deadline is suffocating, cause well, now this is one of the many causes that have to be ensured, such as buying drawing paper, rulers, pencils, let alone buying materials to make building maquette. Must always be creative, can be responsible for text. Not really stay up. Yes, staying up late. It is already inherent from architecture student, namely staying up. Coffee is always our friend. 2 cups of coffee is enough to not sleep all night for me. Yes, that's the ups and downs of being an architecture student. But to be a successful person, we have to start from scratch first, right? That is all from me. I hope you enjoy it. See you.